So now we're in Canva. I'm going to show you how to do a picture graphic. This again is if you just want to add something fun to the video, have something pop up on the screen. If we're talking about jars of taffy, it would be cool to have a jar pop up on the screen or something like that. So once you add a picture into the page, you're going to have all those options to edit. You got the background remover, you can crop it, adjust the brightness and saturation and all that stuff, and I'll show you how to do that. So once you get that in here, you're going to hit the background remover. That's just going to wipe away the background, which is awesome. That's why we love Canva. So also, this picture is just a little dark, so you can see, it's kind of cloudy, it kind of looks like poop. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in here to adjust. And so you click edit, and then you'll go to adjust. So you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, highlights, shadows, the temperature of the photo, all that good stuff. So basically, I'm just going in and just making sure that it looks nice. I'm going to turn the brightness up, just make sure it's popping. Yeah, there's a lot of options there. So, alright, so we're happy with how that looks. I think this video that I'm working on is the sea salt and coffee caramels. So I am finding a coffee caramel jar, which I know we have in there. And if you don't have any of these, so there's like a bunch of pictures uploaded to Canva. If you do not find any picture that you need, you are going to have to take that picture. It's as easy as like how the jars are, just set them on something, take a good picture, and then once you get it in the editor, you can take the background away, you can edit the colors and everything. Alright. So we're going to drag that. We're going to drag them so they're like in front and behind each other. So you're going to go to position. So you have all these options up here. You're going to go to position. That's how you're arranging the layers. So you have 2 layers. Well, technically 3. So you have like the page background, and you have the sea salt caramel and the coffee caramel. So those are your 2 layers. So I'm trying to layer them so that the sea salt caramel is first. And it looks like they're, in front of, behind each other. So we're good with that. We're going to download that. So you'll hit share, you'll hit download. You have to hit transparent background every time. We're on page 19. We're just going to download page 19. If you don't click the specific page that you want, you will download all of the files that you were working on in that specific Canva thread. In this next part, I am showing how to add the picture graphic that I just made, but I already have a video showing you how to add picture and video graphics, so if you have any questions about that, just go to that video. Now I'm going to show you how to make a video graphic. You're going to want to find a template that is the sizing that you want for a full-length YouTube video. It's very easy. I already have one set up. So what you're going to do is you're going to go in the elements and you're going to find your background video. So right now I'm going to do just a space bomb video. So I went ahead and looked up a space background video. So that's how that's going to look. So we're going to go to uploads and we're going to find either upload a file if you have one ready to go, or if you know that there's one already uploaded in the Canva editor, then just grab that. I'm going to show you now obviously you're not just going to keep that picture in there, you're going to do the background remover like we did for the picture graphic. So you're going to do the background remover. Takes the background away, super nice, already looks really cool. Now what I wanted to do was separate the piece with the fingers and the 2 pieces lying down. So there is a little duplicate button It looks like two squares with a plus sign. So you're going to hit that. It'll duplicate the clip or the picture. And then you're going to go in the background remover, and you can literally just take the tool and just erase the part of the image that you don't want. Alright, so did that. And now we just separated that guy, that piece of candy off. And you're going to go back and do the exact same thing. And go into edit, open the background remover, and then we're going to remove the one piece that we already have. Now there is another tool that you can use, and it's the magic grab. I just didn't want to get into showing you guys too many tools on Canva because that's like a completely separate video. The background remover is just the easiest thing to use. So that's okay. So now we reworked the position of those pieces of candy, and I think that looks actually pretty nice. So we're gonna grab our text, and since we're doing like a space bomb video, so you got all these text fonts to choose from. You can go in the top and kind of type in like the theme you're looking for. So I typed in space. So there's all these different like presets. The cool thing about Canva too is you can actually upload your own fonts if you want. Alright, so we added that text. I'm going to position that kind of in the middle, like where that little flare is. Now obviously this is free range for you. You can be as creative as you want with these. I'm just adjusting the sizing and everything. Alright, now here's the important part. So we're going to go to animate. Now see that there's already like preset animations that started because I don't know why. But so you can go to page, and under animations, under page, it will animate the whole page, so you don't have to go through each particular layer and animate each one. So you can animate the whole page, saves a lot of time. Now if you wanted to change how one of the pieces of the graphic look, now you're more than welcome to go in and like edit them separately. But I always just recommend using the page animation, makes it a lot more fun. Now see, it's just a video with text and two images, but it looks like a video and like it's moving. And you can use this for a title sequence. I like always using them for title sequences, or if you just don't have B-roll and you want to create a scene or something to take the place of the B-roll that's not there, or videos that you don't have or videos that you don't have. And that's that. You're gonna download that, and you are gonna put that in your editor. One of the things about the video graphics though is they're easier to make while you're editing the video. So like as you're editing and as you're trimming and splicing all the clips, you'll kind of get an idea of which B-roll you want on the video, and then you can create it. And this again is just showing how to import it into the track, but you should already know how to do that because I showed you in the previous video. But that's how it'll look.